Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the router and getting access. Power cycle the device first to ensure a clean state, then plug a laptop into the router with Ethernet or join the Airtel SSID. Open a browser and enter the common router IP such as 192.168.1.1. Log in using your Airtel or router credentials. Once logged in, make sure you can see the connection status and LAN/WAN details so you can proceed to stop the Wi-Fi service correctly. Once inside the router UI, navigate to wireless or WLAN settings to stop the broadcast. Disable the SSID broadcast first so devices can no longer see the network, then turn off the 4 GHz and 5 GHz radio toggles to cut all wireless signals. Make sure to save or apply changes. Some routers reboot automatically. If prompted, confirm the admin password and wait for the interface to reflect the disabled state. This ensures Wi-Fi is turned off at the source, not just hidden. Finish by confirming the wireless shutdown across devices. Scan for the SSID on a phone and laptop and observe router wireless LEDs. Both should be off or labeled disabled. If radios remain active, reboot the router to enforce settings. If that fails, consider restoring factory defaults only as a last resort because that erases custom settings. If you still can't stop Wi-Fi, note the router model and firmware version. Then contact Airtel support so they can disable services or guide advanced configuration steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.